Blessings, everyone. It's Wednesday today, and it's the 15th of June, 2016. What's happening on the planet, energy-wise? I'm feeling the full moon energy coming in, which is in a few days. Also, this light that we're experiencing in terms of the vibration on the earth and the amount of light that we're taking in at the level of the earth, the body, and the soul. I'm feeling integration of the sensitivity of the earth through the body, the frequency of light, the light body, our sensitivity there in the heart, and also through the crown of the head. We're receiving lots of symbols of this source of light. So that is the light codes that are coming in. Light language coming through the body, where we can tune into the frequencies through the symbolic light that's entering into the cells in our being. Lots of opening is the word that's coming. I'm sensing the freedom there from these symbols that we're receiving. I'm just going to I'm just checking the time here on this video. I'll send some energy through as I'm talking. You might be able to feel this and these symbols of light and this this beauty that's coming through these symbols as we move into a deeper awareness of ourselves as beings of light. And I'm just tuning in. It's interesting. Personally, I'm feeling a great deal of currents of light, electricity moving through me at a different rate, really since the new moon, the last moon that we had on the new moon, and this alignment that was happening, this Grand Cross alignment. So I'm just sending this energy through as I speak. So if you might be able to feel this. So I'm just entering into the heart there and the solar plexus area with these symbols. The beauty of this is the sound that comes from these sources of light, and you may feel that your communication channel is opening, and also that the sounds, the voice, the resonance with the heart is deepening, and it can be noticeable in the voice. Really good to use the voice through chanting, singing, and expressing that love as much as we can. So I'm just sending this through, and I'm going to sign off in a moment. I'll make another video soon. I'm wishing you a beautiful day. Namaste.